It's 10 years the Prophet has been. 10 years he always smelling nice smell. Okay? And also, in this hadith, he says to be kind and not to be short-fused. Prophet Allah, 10 years, he never said to Anas radiallahu anhu, oof, that means, oof, I've got fed up of you. And nothing I have done, why did you do it? Because you did wrongly. Or something I should have done, you should have done such and such. Allahu Akbar. Yet I would say, this tells me, the Prophet of Allah did not do to Anas this. It shows that Anas as well was trying his best to satisfy the Prophet of Allah. Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't think Anas, he was stubborn to do everything wrong. I think the Prophet of Allah said to him, come on. But he was doing his best to be what? Satisfying the Prophet of Allah. That's why 10 years, never said to him, oof, never said to him, why did you do this? You should have done that. Because he was doing what's supposed to be done. And he was not doing what's not supposed to be done. He's trying his best. That's Anas radiallahu anhu. Because if Anas did something that he needs to be told off, I think Prophet of Allah will not hesitate to tell him off, to teach him. Because he told a number of people off. Companion, just one thing he said, a companion, he said, Ma sha'Allah wa shi't. He did not serve the Prophet of Allah 10 years. So the Prophet said, what are you doing? You're making it like Allah? Say Ma sha'Allah wahda, if Allah wills on his own. 623, please.